Rex, I'm picking up a mysterious signal from a Class M planet.
Thank you, Lieutenant Chow Chow. Mr. Spot, what does Class M mean again?
Capable of sustaining life, Captain.
Just testing.
I'm getting an image.
Lieutenant Chow Chow, get me President Chester Pemberton.
Connecting you, Captain Rex.
I know this planet. I was undercover there once, plotting an end to their tyranny. Sadly, my mission was aborted and I lost the coordinates.
We have them here, President Pemberton. It's a Class Q planet.
Class M, sir.
M. There are canoids and collars and leashes crawling naked, or worse, wearing little tartan coats but no pants.
Captain Rex, you have my permission to do what I could not. Go to that monkey planet and free those slaves.
Captain Rex, there are over 300 billion monkeys on this planet.
That's a lot of monkeys.
They may put up some resistance when we liberate the slaves. I suggest we use a subsonic sine wave to put them in temporary slumber.
Yes, I was going to suggest that. Well, I think only one word can sum up today, and that word is...
What's happened, Mr. Santino? And who are those guys?
I don't know, Dana, but my headache just got better.
Now, let's liberate those slaves. Where are they exactly?
The signal came from right here.
Interesting.
This is great. We should get popcorn.
Brother and sister canoids, we have come to liberate you from your overlords. Cast aside the choke chains and the leashes of slavery. Join us. You will be freed. Divide yourselves into groups of 20, and we will commence teleport. These guys are morons. They don't understand anything.
I suspect, Captain, that the monkeys may be of assistance.
You're not suggesting we wake them up?
Just one of them, Captain.
What? Where am I? Who are you?
Your worst nightmare, monkey breath.
Captain, perhaps a little diplomacy.
Oh, yes. Hi. We were wondering if you could show us how to communicate with the slaves.
Slaves? Those are dogs. Why are all those people asleep? Oh dear, did I make a speech?
According to my calculations, the monkeys will awaken shortly.
How long will it take to teleport the slaves back to the Beagle?
About 17 years, sir.
If only there was some other way of transporting them. Tell us, Monkey, what is this craft behind us?
That's the Dogstar, a huge ark designed to carry every single dog on the planet. I designed it myself, you know.
I believe we have found our solution, Captain.
You smell that? The perfectly synthesized aroma of roast beef.
These slaves are so unsophisticated that they react to the most basic olfactory stimulus.
Roast beef.
Captain?
Sorry.
This really isn't a good idea.
Thanks for the help, Monkey.
Oh.
Don't worry, brother. You're safe now. Mr. Shizu,
Captain.
make sure this canoid boards safely.
Yes, sir.
Deploy the tow cable. Scotty, warp factor 15.
That's a sunscreen, Captain.
Got it. Make that warp factor 6.
Aye, aye, Captain.